Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a video. I received a surprise package yesterday in the mail. And it came from Mindless Crafting. It's something I didn't order. It was gifted to me by an anonymous gifter. And um, I wanted to do a video on it to thank the person that gifted this to me. And it is a kit that the owners of Mindless Crafting put together for the fall. I will open the box, but I will not open it on camera. I'm just going to pull everything out. As y'all can see, it's wrapped in orange, and here's the card. And here's the kit. So I'm going to move the box out of the way. And I opened this yesterday, because I was so surprised I wasn't expecting anything. Because I know I didn't purchase anything or whatnot. Sorry for the darkness. I don't know what's going on. I have to do a little bit work on my new crafting area. But here's the card. Isn't that pretty? It says Happy Fall and Blessed. And on the inside it says, here's a gift that was bought for you by a crafting friend that wishes to remain anonymous, Tracy and Bill. Well, I don't mind that. They want to remain anonymous. That's okay. But I just want to give them a thank you and let them know that I greatly appreciate the gift. And we're going to open it. I like this idea of the clear bag, but I got a different idea to make for when I do the sales. Okay. I know I'm not taking this out the right way, but here we go. We got it. Okay. Now here's one of their thank yous, and it's a coupon for me for when I want to make a purchase. It also came with this little canning jar or mason jar. It says, I never met a pumpkin I didn't like. And it's a little wall hanger. So that I'm going to hang in my craft room. And it also came with some ephemera. And here's all the ephemera. Ooh, if I don't lose everything. This one says fall. And my camera is upside down again. Let me fix that for a minute. There we go. And then we have fall is in the air. Here's a little bitty tree. Here's a whole line of trees. Autumn splendor. Then we have farm fresh pumpkins. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then we have fall, sweet fall. Here's another one. And this one says welcome fall. I like that one. And this one here says, this one here. Sorry, I have them down here so I can read them. There is always something to be thankful for. Thankful hearts. I like that little pumpkin. I might color it. You never know. Gather together. My favorite season is fall. Welcome fall. Thankful and blessed. Autumn days. Autumn days are here. I never met a pumpkin I didn't like. That goes good with this. Pumpkins. Be thankful. Hello fall. They got a lot of hello fall ones in here. And here's a flag with leaves on it, fall leaves. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. I like that one. Fall is in the air. Another one of those. I love fall most of all. And it's a little red truck, but it's painted green with pumpkins in the back. And here's a tree. Here's another flag with the autumn leaves. Give thanks. And here's two more flags. I'm getting some ideas. And there's a little apple I forgot to pull out. I'm getting some ideas, but I'm not sure when I'm going to work on them. You can also use these as ephemeras to do some, ephemera. And then you get this bling. Then you get these enamel dots. Then you get these little metal leaves with their business card in it. Then you get this Echo Park, paper company 6x6 paper pad. There's some cut parts and it doubles. I love that page. Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? Here's some more cut parts. This is the one that's on the flag, but in a different color. Whoops. And here's a plain, well, this one has got like crackle in it. See that? Then we have this. More cut parts. More. This is the one that's on the flag in the ephemera pack. Ooh, look at those pumpkins. I don't know. Here's the trees. And it just repeats itself. I think there's 2 or 3 pages of each in here because there's 24 double-sided pages. And then, oops, I forgot this flag. Let's put that back in the ephemera bag so it doesn't get lost. Go down there, little flag. And then we have their stamp set. And this is what I was most going for. I wanted just a stamp set, but somebody gifted me the whole thing. So I thought I would work with the whole kit. And this is their Belief, BE-LEAF stamp set. And you see, belief is possibilities. It's the possibilities. There's a leaf. There's a little boy here. It says hello fall, a barrel of apples, a leaf, a little girl, part of a flower. Here's a big apple. And fall is my favorite color. And this, I will be working with this. And I'm going to see how many different cards I can make with this whole kit here. So this is the kit. If you stay tuned, I will have pictures at the end. And I want to thank everyone for watching, and especially thank the person that gifted this to me. It's very appreciated. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all. Be safe, be happy, be loved, be caring, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.